Love Monster audio products. I have their headphones, I have some of their speakers, I have some of their in-ear buds, and now I have the Aria-free Monster headphones. These are so cool because they're air conduction sound technology. They're Bluetooth and they hang out on the outside of your ears and they just have wonderful sound quality. So let's check it out. These are linked in my Amazon storefront, and right now you can use the code Kendra17 to save 17% off. They're also offering a $20 coupon, so go check it out. It's linked on my storefront. They have like a diamond faceted external aesthetic, and I think it's so pretty. It's also in a deep purple color that reflects the light so nicely. Just connect the charging cable like a magnet here, and it charges so simply. And once you're ready to wear your Aria-free air conduction headphones, you can hook them up to your Bluetooth on any device. I'm gonna listen to my newest album. It's so easy to find it on my computer. Pull up whatever audio or video I'd like to listen to, and start jamming. Literally such good sound quality. I can hear the bass, I can hear the treble, I can hear the lyrics. Sounds so good. I love these, and I don't have to have that annoying feeling of anything in my ear. It's around the ear. Linked in my Amazon storefront.